What's up guys for the second video, and today there will be four main concepts that I've written in my journal, but I think it will fit in one video. So without further ado, let's first start with a story on how can relate it. So let's go comparison since medyo sanay na tayo sa Adonis and Jeffrey. Let's make it a Filipino version. Let's make it an Pedro and Juan. So, si Pedro, nire-represent niya yung tao na principle-centered. Meron siyang sariling prinsipyo. Tapos, ano man na mangyari, mabago man yung mga friends, social circles niya, mabago man yung economic status niya, mabago man yung environment niya, he will always act the same because he depends on his principle. Meron siyang prinsipyo. On the other hand, Juan. Si Juan is yung typical na mga tao na kung anong sinabi ng iba, yan na yung ginagawa nila. Kung sinabi mong, uy, gusto kong maging ganito ka kasi ang gandang pakinggan. Uy, gusto kong maging ganito ka kasi ang cool tignan. Parang siya, ang nangyayari, parang, alam mo yung, kung anong inisip ng iba, yun yung ginagawa niya. Kumbaga, yung principle niya is to please others. And he gained pleasure as he pleased others. On the other hand, Pedro is a very hindi naman self-centered, kundi principle-centered. So, nakalagay dito sa first bullet point is nakalagay na, do not give up your own self-interest just to please other people. All of us have different views, all of us have different priorities, all of us have different values na pinapahalagahan. At minsan kasi, hindi naman natin masabi na kung ano yung gusto mo, yan na rin yung gusto ng iba. Gets nyo? Iba-iba ang mga tao. Iba-iba yung pinapahalagahan nila. Iba-iba yung priority nila. However, most of the times, imbes na unahin muna natin ang sarili natin, mas inuuna natin ang ibang tao. Na kung ano ang sinabi ng ibang tao sa'yo, yan na yung gagawin mo. Where in fact, although yes, it may seem busy, it may seem purposeful for a moment, pero yourself, nakakompromise mo yung growth ng sarili mo. You see, just because other people tell you to do this, do that, doesn't mean you're obliged to do it. Weigh up first yourself. Ask yourself, do I really value this? Do I really need this? And if it doesn't, better say no. It's not worth it. But, what if yung may kapalit? Ang kapalit is yung gusto ko. Then sure, you can go, you can accept it, as long as it is part of your purpose, and you will not regret it. Minsan naman, ginigive up yung ibang tao, yung self-interest nila, kasi dun sila masaya. Masaya sila sa tuwing meron silang approval na na-receive sa ibang tao. Masaya sila sa tuwing nakakompliment sila. Masaya sila sa tuwing yung ibang tao pinavalidate sila. Oh my goodness, bro. In the long term, hindi yan sustainable. Because other people's opinion on you is not constant. People's opinion of you change. What if pagkamali ka isang beses, hindi lahat sila negative na sa'yo? So, paano kanan yan? Yung sila na source ng happiness mo, what if magbago yung attitude nila sa'yo? Hindi ba't parang makakompromise ka? Hindi ba't parang yung feeling mo na happiness, madi-deprive ka kasi wala na sila. Nakalagay dito, do not train yourself to be happy only when other people approves you. In long term, hindi siya sustainable. You will feel unhappy. You see, everything in this world is changing. Maging yung taong nakapalibot sa'yo, darating ang araw, hindi sila mag-stay. Pero ang sarili mo, lagi yang nandyan para sa'yo. Na kung ano man ang ginawa mo noon, dyan yung may experience mo noon. Kumbaga, ang buhay natin ngayon, ano man naranasan natin ngayon, ay bunga ng desisyon natin ng nakaraan. Ang tanong, gusto mo bang maging mabuti, maunlad ang kinabukasan ng iyong sarili? O gusto mong maging average? Gusto mong, I don't want to say these terms, but yeah, ganun na nga. You see kasi, minsan kasi parang natatakot tayo sa social circle. Minsan kasi iniisip natin na kapag hindi natin ginawa yung sinabi ng isang tao, kapag hindi natin ginawa yung gusto ng iba, feeling mo wala ka na sa social circle. Feeling mo wala ka ng tribe, wala ka ng belongingness. Where in fact, mali naman talaga. Baka nasa maling environment ka lang. Nasa maling tao, ika nga. Think about it this way. Before you make decision, weigh first the pros and cons. Tanungin mo sarili mo, gusto mo ba to? Nasa purpose mo ba to? Or nasa value mo ba to? Nakalagay pa dito na, your value is not dependent on how others think about you. The value of a people is not dependent on what other people think. Instead, your value depends on who you are as a person, your self-esteem. You can be trashed right now. However, if you value yourself, over time, your internal symptom will manifest its external ones. Meron kang kasabihan na, in order to change the outside, you must first change the inside. In order to change our attitude, you must first change how we think, which is nasa inside. And it's a beautiful experience to think actually about it. So, yeah. I don't know what will this video lead to you, but I hope you got a value on it, and I hope you can reflect upon it and make sure to choose and make decision based on your value, not on what other people think about you. Always do your best for your future self.